Dogs are trainable. It must be a great goddamn shirt. They taught this son of a bitch how to drive. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go. Woo!
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Your pat on the head and see their reaction.
Oh, you still got that attitude? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You know that's just a little bite. You acting like you don't miss me. You don't miss me? You don't miss me? How about now?